Good afternoon. I will present my family tree. The first member of my family is my mother. Her profession is pensioner and housewife. The second member of my family is my father. His profession is retired and he likes to rest. The third member of my family is my brother, Juan Camilo Ruiz. His profession is system engineer and his position is software architect. The next member of my family is my sister-in-law, Andrea Silva. Her profession is administrative work. The next member of my family is my wife, Jeanette Eliana. Her profession is public accountant and a student. The next member of my family is oldest son, Juan Ruiz. Is 12 years old. His profession is a student and he likes to play soccer. The next member of my family is my youngest son. He is 3 years old. His profession is a student and he likes all games. Finally, I will introduce myself. My name is Luis Ruiz. I am 30 years old. I am a student and you compensar. I am current in my ninth semester of system engineer. I am current working as a junior broker developer at Banco Popular. My purpose the near future is to graduate and do AI specialization in big data. I also want to make a family trip to some European countries in the next year. Thank you.